Nicole Raimundo. Ayun na, boss Amante. Ayan o. Oh. Teach me how to dog isa. Teach me how to dog. Di basta-basta body bay, pitik ni katok. Coach Sam Atok. Laila Guro bay. Anak ni Junal Guro, lupad lang din bay. Ladies open here at Lupon, Davao Oriental. Jan on the moves. Oh, grabe bay.
Ay, love you,
So, bakbaka na guys. Lilipad na muli ang Batang Agila Zaira Paco dito sa Lupon, Davao Oriental. Ayan na. Allahoy! Zaira Paco na kauna guys. Zaira Paco, Laila Guro, Boss Amante, Nicole, oy! Alan! Wala! Op! Ayun, no? Inside. Lupad, Laila! Boss Amante, on third! Up! Double. Inside. Allah. Zaira Paco on the lead. Ayun na, grabe mga tao guys. Shot! Lilipad muli! Grabe bay! Wala na! Biyaan ang tanan guys! Break away na! Oh! Laila Guro on second! Break away lang Batang Agila guys. Cards Boss Amante. Ala. Nilingon-lingon lang ang kalaban guys. Relax ang Batang Agila. Hop. Relax. Tuwara na po! Grabe! Woohoo! Wow! Grabe! Laila on second! Oh! Grabe kang bata ka! Laila Guro! Wow! Ayun, no? Nicole on fourth. Boss Amante on third. Up. Overlap. Wow. Grabe. Laila Guro on second. Ayun, no? Daming fans guys. White flag, Zaira Paco, white flag. White flag. Wow. White flag.
Hapit na mag-overlap sa uban itong rider. At munting hangin.
Wow! Laila on second. Still on the lead. Batang Agila guys. Ah! Woohoo! Still on the lead. Batang Agila. White flag, white flag. Checkered flag for Zaira Paco. Checkered.
Okay, next in line. Get
Wow.
ready.
Hoy! Natumba si Bustamante. Ala. Hoy! Hi. Laila Goro on second. Third na, Nicole.
Okay, na nato ang Agila ng Zamboanga. Natapos na.
Nicole on third. Ala, Bustamante on fourth.
Sige, kukura ninyo. Sige.
Koto versus Kuyaman.
Lilia.
Checkered.
Ayan.
Checkered. Fourth, Bustamante. Third, Nicole.
Sa'yo na pa ako, ako muna.